Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very attractive wooden working new designs ideas. There are most attractive, most beautiful, most stylish and most fantastic wooden designs. I hope you'll like and you'll enjoy this video. There are very stylish, very amazing and very heart-touching designs of woodworking. There are very newly collection of woodworking ideas. Those people who love more and more woodworking designs, these all designs are especially for those people. There are very fantastic designs, there are very superb designs, there are very amazing designs ideas. There are very stylish and very attractive wall decor, wooden working designs ideas. There are most beautiful designs, there are most stylish designs, there are most attractive designs ideas. I hope you'll like and you will enjoy this video. You can decor your houses with these beautiful, amazing and most stylish woodworking objects. You can decor your walls. You can decor your lawn. There are very fantastic designs of woodworking ideas. All these designs are very unique and very newly. You may get new and new ideas about woodworking designs from this video. So friends, don't skip this video and watch more and more stylish designs. You can also buy these beautiful woodworking objects online. You can get these beautiful woodworking objects online from Etsy.com, eBay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these amazing woodworking objects from here. I hope you'll like and you will enjoy this video. There are very beautiful and very amazing designs. So friends, take care, remember me in your prayers and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care and Allah Hafiz.